let me out now. Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. I was just trying out the size of this fantastically practical Skoda Yeti boot. We've just taken this car into stock. It's on a 2011 plate. It's a petrol 4x4 and it is absolutely fantastic. We've wanted a Skoda Yeti for sale for a long time, and in this video I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect from this beautiful car when you come here to the amazing Clever Car Collection to get in, not get in the boot, to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. So this is it, our Skoda Yeti. It's got the 1.0 litre petrol engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, and is 4-wheel drive. If you saw this car feature on Top Gear, you will want it as much as I do because they are incredibly sturdy, fantastic to drive, and just look at how cool it looks. Anyway, I'm going to walk around it in this video, show you anything that I've seen. It will come with a new 12-month MOT. Actually, I think the new MOT has just been done. Has it not been, Joe? Yes. my colleague says that's just been done. We've also had it serviced, and so this car is ready to drive away today. It will come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty as standard, and you'll be able to upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise, if you so wish. It'll do 35 miles to the gallon. It's 158 brake horsepower, and it's had just one previous owner. She's looked after it incredibly well, given it 11 main dealer services, and it's only done 53,500 miles, 53,500 miles, not half a mile. Anyway, right, let's see, any marks that I've seen on it. There are a couple, and I will go around and I will try and find where they were, but as you can see, we've given it a lovely polish with our Auto Glint products, and it's come up beautifully. A couple of minor chips here and here, little bit of a mark around there, around the light, but nothing major. The wheels are a little bit on the marked side. I don't think they're curbs. I just think over time they've lost a little bit of the lacquer. So that is one of the downsides. Couple of little marks on the door here and here. Little mark on the wing mirror there. Walking down the driver's side, this wheel again, similar condition, but plenty of tread on those tyres. Round the back, it's got parking sensors, front and rear. I will show you the boot again, because obviously we did show you in the introduction, but I was in it. And there's lots of space. You've got this handy like load nets that run from here to here and can secure stuff in the boot, which is really nice. I do like the handle to shut the boot because it's quite high up. Four-wheel drive, as you can see there. Walking down the passenger side, this wheel looking like that. We've got a mark here on the door. I forgot to show you inside the back. It's got a beautiful leather interior, this car. ISOFIX points on those two rear seats, and the interior is in a beautiful condition. As you can see, loads of space as well. Incredibly practical. Carrying on down this passenger side, little mark there, tiny mark there on the wing mirror, and this wheel, similar condition to the others. Right, no marks or chips on the windscreen, and the roof all looking good too. Right, let's jump inside and show you the lovely specification. Right, jumping in the front. Great driving position in this car. Obviously elevated, 4-wheel drive, and you get a really good view of the road. We've got 3 keys for this car, believe it or not. This is one of them. Start it up. You've got electric windows all round. You've got automatic headlights. Steering wheel mounted controls. 56,419 miles there, as you can see. No warning lights. Just the handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt. Over here you've got radio. You've got media, so you can play CD. It's got 6-disc change of this. It's MP3 compatible, and it's got Bluetooth audio. You've got dual zone climate control and heated seats. Not that you need those today because it's rather warm. You've got parking steering. You can turn the sensors on front and rear, off-road mode, and you can turn traction control off. 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, and a 12-volt power socket. And over here, a decent sized glove box. Right, let's talk about that history. Right, history-wise, this car has been incredibly well looked after. The lady I bought this car from had owned this car from new. She absolutely loved it. She said she waited ages for it to arrive from the factory because it was a high specification, as you can see, with this leather interior, and she's loved it ever since. She's actually just given up driving, hence why she sold it to us. So she's had Skoda main dealers in Skoda main dealer services in 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, and an independent specialist in 24, and we've just had it serviced and MOT'd in 2025. So very, very well looked after this car, ready to roll out of the showroom, and a fantastic example of the Skoda Yeti. We do offer nationwide home delivery, so get in touch with us for a quote if you're interested in that. And while you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of the 5-star service we give all of our customers, and very much look forward to giving you exactly the same treatment when you come here to give this brilliant off-roader a test drive. If you want to do that, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com, and you can see loads of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Right, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Goodbye.